Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes and my weekly outfit of the day. Before I actually show you this outfit, I wanted to let you guys know if you don't have anything nice to say, do not say anything at all. That is typically the golden rule. Today is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all fathers out there. We all appreciate what you do. What am I wearing today? So today I am wearing this loft tank, all right? Putting on my trusty denim jacket, which I just wore yesterday. And I have it paired with this cute flirty loft skirt and my goalless sneakers. Now, I know this might not be everyone's cup of tea, and if you've been watching me any type of while, you know I have different personalities. And today I was in the fun, flirty type of style, and I wanted to wear this cute, flouncy skirt. The last time I wore this skirt, somebody told me that I'm too old to wear something like this and I need to act my age. Well, I am acting my age today. This is how I feel today and how I want to dress. So this is my outfit for today, and yeah, I got this at Loft a couple of years ago, and I thought it was cute and fun and different and something unique to add to my wardrobe. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Good morning, everyone. It is 7:10 in the morning. My daughter's still sleeping, so I'm trying to be a little bit quiet for her today. Today I went to the gym, and it was the first time I went to the gym since Friday. I took the weekend off because I was sore. I'm feeling a little bit better today, but cardiovascularly, I'm dying. I recovered from that, and I actually have an appointment this morning to see my primary care physician to do a once-a-year physical, so I don't have any jewelry on for that reason. So what am I wearing today? Very casual. I am wearing this Every Eve blouse that I got from a Trendsend. Love it. It's cute, adorable. And I'm wearing a beautiful color and my white loft shorts. I like these shorts. I think they're good length, and it's not squeezing my thighs. So it's like, for me, like the perfect fitting short. Here's the back of them. I paired on a belt I also received from a Trendsend and Every Eve, and my shoes are called Me Too, and they're from a Stitch Fix, extremely comfortable shoes. And this is my outfit for today. Going to the doctor this morning, have an early morning appointment at 8 a.m. and then going to be at my desk all day. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hello everyone, happy Tuesday and welcome to another day of styling outfits. Went to the gym this morning and here I am now. It's only going to be in the low 70s today, and I'm getting kind of tired of wearing skirts, so I decided to go back to jeans. So what am I wearing today? I am wearing this White House Black Market wrap top. They get to do a style like this almost every year, but this is from several years ago. So I like this top. I think it's cute. I don't wear it often enough because of the wrap style. I do have to wear a little cami underneath. It's a half cami. But what ends up happening is in the dead of summer, I get too hot. So it's kind of like this temperature is the best for this particular top. I am wearing it with these crazy boom boom jeans that I ordered from Stitch Fix Freestyle. I love these jeans. They put a smile on my face. I know they're kind of funky with the little railroad stripes and the patch pockets and the flare leg, but they put a smile on my face, and I enjoy wearing these jeans, and I will continue to wear them as long as they put a smile on my face. So this is my outfit for today. Oh, and I'm wearing my white Steve Madden slide-on heels. And yeah, that's my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Wednesday and rest day for me for the gym. That still means me getting up at 4 something in the morning because that's when I wake up. So I tried to go back to sleep, no good, and here I am. What am I wearing today? I am wearing this Nation LTD top that I got from Every Eve. There's this adorable cutout in the back. Hopefully you don't see my bra. Usually it slips down and you do get a peek of my bra. It's not supposed to do that, but hopefully you don't see that. I like this top. It's a knit here in front, just like a t-shirt material, and the sleeves are poplin with an elasticized here at the arms, and I think it's adorable. The pants are a recent purchase from Poshmark, and when I got them, they were size 0, and when I put them on originally, I thought they were too tight in the legs, right? And that was just 2 days ago. I put them on today, and I think they're fine in the legs. So already they stretched out enough for me to make it comfortable. And I'm actually very happy with this purchase in a way because I think they're great. They fit, I think they fit well on me. I like the way they look. I like the way they feel. They're extremely comfortable. However, I already have a pair of pants in this color, so it kind of broke my no duplicates rule. The pants that I have are like this are from a Stitch Fix, cut from the cloth. They might have a skinnier leg, and I don't think have actually the cargo, but they definitely have the pork chop pockets, and they're sort of in this color. And this is my outfit for today. Oh, and I paired them with my Dolce Vita braided slides that I think I got last year or possibly the year before. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Thursday, and this week I think pretty much flew by for me, thank goodness. We only have one more day left. I'm trying to be a little bit quiet because my daughter is upstairs sleeping. Today is a gloomy day. It's probably going to rain. I have my ring light on. It's only going to get in the 60s. So again, I'm wearing pants. Today's outfit's pretty similar to yesterday's. I'll step back. I'm wearing like an Ever Eve short sleeve sweater that I got from a Trendsend, as well as these Sanctuary jogger style pants that are also a cargo style as well, that I also got from my Trendsend. Again, Sanctuary is the name brand, and they're very loose. They're similar to the pants I was wearing yesterday, but the other pants are White House Black Market, a darker color, and a straighter leg. Speaking of those pants, I was concerned yesterday when I was wearing them that they were going to be too tight on me, because when I first tried them on, they seemed very tight on my legs. They are made from 100% lyocell, and they stretched, I mean, big time. So if you ever get anything 100% lyocell and they might be a little snug, don't worry, they're going to stretch. So with this outfit, I am wearing a pair of espadrilles. I got them from Stitch Fix. They're like a wedge style. They're by a name brand called Me Too, and these are probably the most comfortable shoes I own. Another thing I wanted to say is thank you for all your outpouring of support for my channel. Last week on my vacation video, I really appreciate the support. I'll be honest with you, I'm gonna have to really limit what I watch on YouTube because there is so much negativity. It seems like 1/3 of my wardrobe is out of date, out of style, and I need to just get rid of it. And I'm not like that. If I enjoy something and I like to wear it, I'll continue wearing it. And it just seems that everything I have in my closet nowadays, somebody's picking apart, and it's stuff that like I might have even recently received, and it's like, oh, that's dated. You know, I just kind of need to get rid of that toxicity out of my life right now, and I'm gonna be only trying to watch videos where they're unboxings and stylings that are of positive nature. And again, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate it, and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hello everyone, it is Friday, 1:45, and this is the first time I'm getting a chance to video. So today I got up, went to the gym. From the gym, went to my nutritionist, or came home, showered, went to my nutritionist, then I went my food shopping, had my breakfast, and then I had to go on the computer. So what am I wearing today? So today I am wearing a Pinterest inspired look. I'll put the little thing up there, but it's really nothing exciting. And why I needed Pinterest to come up with this look, I don't know, but I saw it on her and I was just like, you know what? I kind of want to recreate this. So what am I wearing today? I am wearing my Cloth and Stone very lightweight summer joggers that I got from Marshall's, I think 2 summers ago. These are great. Cloth and Stone is a really expensive name brand. However, it goes on deep sale, both at like Ever Eve, and obviously you can see it at Marshall's too. It's elastic waist with a tie front. With it, I have paired my gauze top from Calvin Klein. I think I got 2 years ago from a Macy's. Yeah, and my shoes are White House Black Market from about 10 years ago. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for my final day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Saturday, and what am I up to today? So today, I went to the gym as usual, an 8 o'clock class. That's the first class my gym has on morning on Saturdays. I then came home, chopped up my peppers. My second batch are in the oven right now. While they were cooking the first batch, I took my shower, and here I am. What else am I doing today? Well, I am waiting very anxiously for my Front Door Fashion to arrive. I am so excited. Front Door Fashion is my favorite styling service. I would say it's the only true styling service out there. We have a real stylist who's looking at your profile and picking collections of full outfits for you personally to wear. So I'm very excited about getting my box today. On the other hand, it is extremely expensive service that each piece is around $100 and up. I tell my stylist try and keep it around that $100 range, because anything over that is a little bit out of my budget, especially with the amount of items that I do purchase. So I'm just hanging around the house today. It's quite humid out and I got the ovens running. So what am I wearing today? I am wearing this loft knit sleeveless mock neck top. And this is kind of, I wouldn't say it might be cotton. A cotton spandex mix is what I'm guessing. So it's very thin and lightweight, even despite the fact there is a little mock neck on it, but it doesn't bother me. It has the lettuce detail up top, and you can't see it because I tucked it in, but the lettuce detail around the bottom. I'm wearing it with this cute little skirt that I got from Stitch Fix, I think last summer. And I'm just wearing my tan flip-flop, really brown flip-flops. They're Circus by Sam Edelman, and they're like the dupes for the Tory Burch. And I'm sure most of you who know Tory Burch are saying, those are no dupes, Carolyn. Those are definitely imitations. But I don't care, they're close enough. And since I'm not going anywhere, this is what I'm wearing. I might actually, after I get my front door fashion and film, I might actually run to the mall and try and exchange that White House black market top. And they stuck another $25 coupon on my account, so you never know what I might return with there. Okay, thank you again, and today's my last day. Give this video a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and take care. Until next time.